Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, where I like to share food from scratch, natural living in our handmade home here on Boone Street. And today I want to show you a little Valentine's Day treat that is healthy and delicious. So I've mentioned before to you guys about my kids' channel. My two girls have a YouTube channel called Hey Crafty, where they share recipes for kids and crafts for kids. So this last week they recorded a video making peanut butter hearts for Valentine's Day. So basically all they are is a half a cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of coconut oil, a quarter of a cup of honey, and they just harden in the refrigerator in silicone molds. So they are really delicious. We like to make them all the time around here. Sometimes we even add a chocolate layer and make it sort of like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I am going to turn it over to my kids and let them show you how to make it.
Hey guys, this is Hey Crafty, and today we're going to be making honey peanut butter hearts. For this project, you'll need honey, a blender, peanut butter, coconut oil, a bowl, a spoon, silicone heart molds, a quarter cup, and a half cup. First, we're going to melt the coconut oil. You should probably have a parent help you with that. While you're melting a half cup of coconut oil, put in a half cup of peanut butter. Have your mom help you pour in the hot coconut oil, and when she's done, make sure to stir it quickly before the coconut oil hardens up. Now we're gonna add a quarter cup of honey. If you have a big jar like this, you might need your mom to help you since it's heavy. To get it really good and incorporated, we're going to put it in the blender. Now, we're going to pour it into the molds. Put these in the freezer. You might have to have your mom help you with this part too. Now we're gonna pop them out. Eli, they're ready. Thank you. There you go, Eli.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to my kids' channel, I'm gonna link it above in the cards so that you can head on over and give them a follow. If you have kids who like to watch crafts and are creative and like to make things, I think they would really enjoy watching the channel as well. So head on over and subscribe if that applies to you. If you're new to my channel and you want more food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home, please hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.